If you're suffering from tight shoulders, if you're suffering from back pain, if you're suffering from any tightness going on back here or back here, I'm gonna show you the #1 way to fix it.
I'm in the field with the biggest steppers. I sent the text but she ain't get the message. I hit the block and then I like
It's your boy, the only one in the world, Mr. Free World. I'm feeling a mental block. I'm feeling this block between me and the camera. I'm feeling a block between me and the content. I don't understand why the mental block is here. I don't understand what's stopping me from recording and creating the content. I have to fight through it. I have to get past it. Continue to share the journey, share the process, document the process. A little stuffed up, little wheezing going on in the chest. I don't know what it is, but ever since we got to New York, I've been a little congested, going in the steam room every day. Just trying to get my nostrils open and get my lungs open. But I feel much better when I hit the gym, aka the club. So tonight, we're going to the club. Let's go. So I was just talking to Marilyn on the way to the gym. And we were talking about different programs on training. I used to train major muscle groups at the same time. Like, for example, I would train chest and back together. I would train quads and hamstrings, calves, and shoulders all together. So lately this year, I've been more focused on training like a major muscle group with a minor muscle group. So I would train back with biceps, or I would train chest with triceps, or just focus on hamstrings and calves. Major muscle groups with minor muscle groups. And I haven't really figured out which is the best formula. Marilyn said it would be a good idea to just rotate month by month. So 1 month do the major muscle groups, the next month do the minor muscle groups with the majors. I think I'm gonna try that. This month, I'm sticking with the majors and minors. Next month, we'll do major muscle groups together in one session. And we'll see which one produces the most growth. We'll see which one produces the most change in the 1 month span. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you believe is the best training split. Major muscle groups alone or major muscle groups with the minor muscle groups. We'll see. We'll find out. Pro Fit, aka Club Fit, is lit. Nah, this gym is like nothing you've ever seen before. Hopefully I can show you some bits and pieces of it. As soon as you walk in, it's mad people, music banging. It's just a loose vibe. I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie. It's a real loose environment. Nobody's like being snobby and all of, you know, that bougie shit. I don't like that. Keep me where the hood is at. Keep me where, you know, where my energy is at. I like it. I'm cool with it.
If you're suffering from tight shoulders, if you're suffering from back pain, if you're suffering from any tightness going on back here or back here, I'm gonna show you the #1 way to fix it. Simply just find something to hang on in the gym or at home, outside, wherever, and just hang. So if you pay attention, I'm rolling my shoulders out, I'm opening my back up, I'm loosening everything out and just letting it hang and letting all that tension release. This is the #1 way, a simple hang. The #1 way to release all the tension, all the tightness in the lats, all the tightness in the back. It loosens everything up in the neck. Simply find something to hang on once a day.
Where we at today? Where we at? 197.8.
Just got some sweatpants on. Not bad, not bad. Welcome to Club Profit. It's not too lit right now. Last night was a little crazier, but they got the music bumping. The energy is here. The vibe is here. And let me show you the best thing of all. Let me show you the best thing. Watch this. Oh my goodness, watch this. What? The lighting? The elite lighting? The mirrors? This alone is worth the membership. A nice posing room. You just keep yourself updated. Keep yourself in tune on what's going on with the physique. Yeah, we're gonna use this right now. We're gonna put this to use right now.
Hold on. And they giving out the free pizzas?
I am never leaving here.
Giving out the free pizzas too? Shout out Profit. The dude said that there's a member of the gym that brings in pizza for everybody every night. So we was on the way out. I said, y'all want some pizza? Get me right with the free pizza. And protein shake on the side, waiting, nice and cold. We have 43 degrees out here in New York. Thanks, man. Cheers. Bubble coat season out here in New York. It's about 12:30. Just getting done. Put the baby down to sleep around 9, and then we hit the gym for 3 hours. It's a good time. It's definitely a good time. It's a good activity. Didn't show too much of what was going on inside. It wasn't a club vibe today. It was just calm. Showed you a little bit of work. Posing room, the free pizza. Now we on the way home. I'm calling it a night. And do it all over again tomorrow. Like I said before, I didn't really feel like recording. I'm having this like blockage going on. I don't know what it is, but I have to fight through it. I know that. That's a fact. I know I have to fight through the mental blockage. So I'm gonna just be picking the camera up, recording randomly, and whatever y'all get, whatever y'all see, y'all see. It's a free world, free you, be you 100% of the time, and don't let nobody stop your shine.
Big free roll in this motherfucker. Yeah. I got paid. I had to pray for. Every blessing came, I had to wait for. Why you wanna doubt I made a way for us? Why you wanna